Hey there, here's a viral app right now. It's going viral on TikTok. It's called Vocal Range Finder, sing Whiz. So let's just give it a try. So I just tried it out. You can use it for free, but it's very limited, but it's still quite fun. So basically the idea is that this is kind of like AI app or something like that, basically where you just have some demo example, and then you just need to try to sing and try to sing like the lowest note you can, and then just try to sing the highest note you can. And that's basically how you can just find out your vocal range and just discover what's your vocal range. So that's just what you can do, how you can find it out. And and then also there are a bunch of exercises which you can just return, and then that's just what it is. Let's just give it a try. So it's better to use this app with headphones, but I just already did exercise, and then I can see my vocal range is what is here, the low one and the high one. This says that my voice type is baritone. So here you can see the range. Baritone vocal range is second lowest of the male voice types, falling between tenor and bass. Typical baritone voice is between A2 A4. So I'm not a professional singer, whatever, but this is an app just to have fun. Of course, it can be used also for some professional singers. So, for example, if I wanted to redo my vocal range, so I can't go much lower than whatever. So that's my lowest note here, and then you can just discover singers in this range, or do some other stuff like if you upgrade. But then the cool part is also like exercises. There is only one free exercise here. For all other ones you need to upgrade $15 per year or $3 per month. But for this one, you can just do it for free. So there is this exercise. It's better to use headphones. There is play demo, and then there is let's just start exercise. So stuff like that, basically, and then you can just try it out. Of course, I'm very far from like professional singer, but this is just the idea of what you can train here. And then there are a bunch of others exercises which you can give a try. And so something around that. So you just have the idea here. So there you have it. So give a try to this app. Pretty cool idea.